everybody, Kate here. Our next video in this series is going in to open additional whiteboards, finding your Microsoft Whiteboard library and working within that. So if you are in a whiteboard, in order to go back to your board library or create a new whiteboard, all you have to do is hit your home button in the upper left-hand corner, and then it's actually going to bring you completely into your library. I do, like I said, recommend add titles to all of your whiteboards. It will tell you the last time it was edited. But if you have no idea what that content is, you're going to be hunting around for stuff. So definitely go ahead and make sure that you are adding titles to all of your whiteboards. And the whiteboards in your library, you can rename them on the fly. You don't have to go in. You can do it from your library, which is fantastic. And of course, where you would start an additional whiteboard would just be tapping new whiteboard. You will get, of course, your templates that pop up, or you can just hit blank canvas or close out of that, and away you go. I'm going to go into my whiteboard title, and I'm going to change that. I'm just going to do whiteboard 2. So that way you can see as we go back into the library. Would probably help if I saved it there. Go ahead and do that again. Home. There it is, whiteboard number 2. So that easy to start new whiteboards and navigate around your Microsoft Whiteboard library. Definitely check it out. Hopefully this was helpful. More videos to come. Keep your questions coming. That is how we add great ideas for our video library. Hopefully we'll talk again soon. Take care.